What's up, y'all? Welcome back. Welcome to my blog. Well, guys, it's Thursday, 5th of August, and the heat is unbearable, guys. I'm like dying here. Anyways, I wanted to pass you guys a video and show you something about a handle that I've done, a design to an outdoor area, which I just finished. Guys, about the handles for the benches, I'm not really fond of handles for various reasons, one of which is that a handle doesn't really maintain or have the strength that is needed if it's placed from the outside, because 120 centimeter length, guys, can fit up to 3 people depending on the weight of the people and the size. If you don't put in a handle, if you put handles on, then it'll just fit 2 people, and I would not recommend a bench which is larger than 120, which is the pallet size. If you put it from the inside to make it strong, it'll make it just 2-seaters, and if you put it from the outside, it'll not be strong enough, and it's exposed to breakage. We don't want that. So what I did is I combined a bit of both ideas with a decorative touch to give it a nice finishing. So it's kind of a 50-50 inside outside. I'll be showing you now, guys. I'll just go outside, show you the design and show you the handle and explain to you what I mean. As I said, it's a sunny day, guys. It's 32 degrees, and here in Lebanon 32 degrees is like oof, really hard. Anyways, so this, guys, is the new seating area that I've just done for a client of mine. So what I did, guys, is I've created this handle. Okay, so guys, the way I've done it took a lot of time because I needed to do a 45-degree cut for the curving here, because it's bent to give like a number 7 shape, more or less. Love that number. Plus it supports the leg, so it supports both the leg, the sitting area, and the back all together. It gives a nice touch to the seating area. This is all varnished, and if you can see what we do when we varnish before cutting, that means every single piece and every zone is varnished, guys, from inside, upper side, front side, like everything. So what I mean is, by heavy duty, is if I sit like that, okay guys, so I can literally stand on the handle. Okay, I'm gonna stand, I hope I don't fall. Don't do this at home. So we'll just stand on both handles so that you guys can see how strong it fits. Doesn't really matter. Jump on it, go down, sit on it, swing the chair, head it down, bounce it. When I say heavy duty, guys, I mean really heavy duty, you know what I mean? So this is the quality we're talking about. This is the seating area that I'm talking to you guys about, okay? So this is pallet work, guys. This is pallet work, okay? This is how we do stuff. Hope you enjoyed the video. Give me your comments, whether you like the handle, the durability. This is a life-lasting sitting area, guys. It's heavy duty, it's big. The small seater you can see is a 50 centimeter wide seater, so it has all the space needed. The back is 15-degree angular, so that the sitting is really, you don't really need a cushion to feel comfortable using it. I will post that same sitting area after it's all done with the cushions and all that kind of stuff at the client's house. I'm gonna be posting it, showing you guys. And yeah, do subscribe, please. Hit the notification button to see all the new things that I'll be putting. And I hope you like the video, guys. Cheers to you all. Hope you're not as hot as I'm feeling right now. I'll be catching you all in the next video. Okay, cheers y'all.